Screencastify is a really excellent way to create short screencasts to share with students. And that is the program that I'm using for this entire project that I'm working on with these top 50 tech tools. So it's very easy to get started with Screencastify. The first thing you're going to want to do, you can always go to the website. If you go to the website, it's going to look like this. And over here, it's going to say install the Chrome extension, or it could be installed Firefox extension, whatever browser you're using, the Screencastify extension should work. Now, next step is that you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the extension at the top right of the image. It looks like this. When you click it, it'll ask you, do you want to record your browser tab? Do you want to record your desktop? Or do you want to record your webcam? Do you want to record your microphone? And do you want to embed your webcam? These are all different techniques that you can use to reach students. And so here's the catch. With the free account, the maximum screencast time is 5 minutes. I will say this though, if you're creating screencasts that are longer than 5 minutes, it becomes less and less entertaining for many students and adults. So please keep that in mind to make sure that you're creating content that's a little bit more accessible to parents or to students and parents and teachers if you're doing any workshops as well. So the pricing is pretty straightforward. Like I said, with free, you can do as many videos as you want to for 5 minutes at a time. Unlimited recording is $49 per year, so it's not too bad considering that you can create all these types of videos. If you want to edit, it's a little bit more, and you can create video submissions and stuff and create magical links and stuff. Anyway, bottom line is that there's many different pricing plans, but free gives you quite a set of techniques and pretty easy to use. So just so you know, if you're using Chrome, which many of you are, you just do a search for Screencastify and extension, and that'll bring you to a search result with the first hit being the Chrome Web Store. And when you click on that, you'll go to add to Chrome once it loads. So it says remove from Chrome, but yours will say add to Chrome. And you just allow access to your camera and your microphone, and then you're all set. That's it for Screencastify. So if you have any questions, gbailey@swboses.org. Thank you.